Okay, this is the lower extremities of the body's arteries and veins we're going to identify right now. We're going to start right at the bottom and work our way up. Down here, we have the small sphenius vein. So that little blue vein right here is a small sphenius vein. Right here is a great sphenius vein. The great sphenius vein will run all the way up the leg. So the great sphenius vein is also right here too. So it's this long blue vein. Also on this leg we have the anterior tibial artery right there. The anterior tibial artery is right here. That's the only artery on this side of the leg. It's going to be the anterior tibial artery. Also, moving up this leg, we're going to go to, oops, sorry about that. We're going to just take a couple steps back. There we go. So we're going to go to where the thigh is. So right here is going to be your femoral vein. So right in that cutoff spot, it's not the great sphenius vein because as you can see when it drops down, it's a great sphenius vein. It's not that. It's going to be right where it cuts off right there. It is the femoral vein. Working our way up, we're going to start with the veins first. Right here, closer to the leg, we have the external iliac vein. So the external iliac vein will be right on the region of the blue line, closer to the leg. As we move up, we're going to have a lot of vein and arteries that dip in. So the ones that dip in are going to be the internal iliac veins. So the red one is an internal iliac artery, and the blue one is the internal iliac vein, which is right here, internal iliac vein. So the arteries and veins that dip into the oval are the internal iliac artery, which is red, or the vein, which is blue. And then we have the external iliac artery. So on the outer portions by the leg is the external iliacs on the outside. And whether it's red or blue will determine if it's an artery or vein. So now we're going to move down to the other side of the leg where we'll see another side of the leg. So right here we have the femoral artery. The femoral artery is very present in this leg. And then what branches from the femoral artery, which will be right here, is the deep femoral artery. So it's deeper, so it branches. So you'll know femoral artery goes into the deep femoral artery. So moving down, keeps going, the femoral artery. As soon as we get to the knee area, we have the popliteal artery. The popliteal artery will be right here, around here. That is the popliteal artery. Please do not get it confused with the femoral artery. The femoral artery is going to be located more towards the thigh, and the popliteal artery is going to be located towards the knee. Moving down more, we have the posterior tibial artery, which is the back of the leg. And then down here is also the posterior tibial artery, so that runs all the way down the leg. And then the front is the anterior tibial artery, just like this portion right here of the other leg view. So that's going to be the anterior tibial artery right there. And also goes down right there as well. So that ends the lower extremities portion of the arteries and veins.